Fascinating Facts About Nature, written by Syed Bokhari, narrated by Martin Graham and Rebekah Amber Clark. Copyright 2021.
Acknowledgement. Professor John Chow's valuable and helpful ideas during the planning and production of this research-based work are greatly appreciated. His willingness to give his time so generously has been very much appreciated. We'd also like to express our gratitude to the Milton District Library's employees for their assistance during COVID-19. Finally, we'd want to express our gratitude to our family members for their unwavering support and encouragement during this project. Message from the author. I'd like to express my gratitude to the readers for purchasing this book. It took a great deal of time and effort to get this produced and published, and it contains a wealth of fact-based knowledge. Best regards, Syed Bokhari. Message from the publisher. Dear reader, we promise to provide a high-quality reading experience that is valuable, interesting, and enjoyable. Your support and reviews help us to make the necessary effort to fulfill our promise. If you have any suggestions, please contact us by email at fkrpublishers@gmail.com. Thank you, FKR Publishers. Website www.fkrpublishers.com. Fascinating Facts About Nature. We can say nature is a phenomenon of the physical world collectively, including plants, animals.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?